Hi, it's Kozue. I got nail stamping plates and stamping polish from Maniology. I'm gonna try some of the designs later in this video. Maniology is located in Hawaii. I asked them if I could buy their products in person at their premises, but the answer was no. International shipping fee is quite expensive, so I ordered these and had them delivered to my friend's house in California. He visits Japan every year, so I got the package from him. Okay, what I got here? A sticker. Snailed it. Oh, they have an app. You can get some discount with the code APP. So if you're interested, here you are. Yay! I got 4 new nail stamping plates. I'll show you the plate designs later. I guess these in the boxes are stamping polishes. I got 7 bottles. I bought a few too many, but I needed them to get free shipping from Hawaii to California. Mint green, very cute color. The bottle is a little bit bigger than I expected. I got a glittery one. This color will be perfect for autumn sets. Their stamping polish seems to be $8 or $9, but I got them on sale. All of them are $5. I thought this was silver, but it looks purple silver. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. I'd love to use it for spring nails. What else did I buy? Oh yes, this pink one. Oh, this is perfect for summer nails. Now I'm gonna show you the plates. This wasn't marked down, it was $9. I wanted to get a plate with basic designs. It's so cute. The designs are a little smaller than I expected, which is great. It seems really sturdy with plastic on the back. I'm gonna stamp some of the designs later in this video. Next plate was $9 as well. I love lines and stripes, so I've been wanting to get a good quality plate. I'm gonna try it later too. This one was marked down. It was $3.20. It's Hawaii themed. I love stamping words and I love Hawaii, so I'm so happy to get it. It's so cute. There are some Hawaiian words on it. I can study Hawaiian. This is also Hawaiian themed. It's got Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. The lines are so delicate. I wonder if I can stamp them well. I'm so looking forward to trying it. I'm gonna stamp on this. I painted gel nail on it. I'm gonna use this Hawaiian plate. You need to remove the protective film first. I usually use washi tape. I put washi tape on the corner and peel it off. Make sure the tape is stuck well on the film. Yes, this is so satisfying. I'm gonna use this blue stamping polish. I wonder if the colors match well. Wow, it's so cute. I love it. I don't usually stamp on gradient, but I should do it more often. I'm gonna try the circle plate next. I made this set in a video before. I didn't use a stamping plate when making it. I'm gonna stamp on cured white gel nail. I'm gonna use this pale lime green color. Whoa, look at this! Isn't it cute? Well, the green dots didn't come out very much, but I love the dots. I'm gonna clean the plate. I use nail polish remover. Just one push of the remover into polyester fiber fill. And I just clean the polish like this. When the plate gets foggy, I clean it with ethanol. I sometimes wipe it with an old makeup puff. It gives plates a good shine. I tried pink stamping polish on the same dot design. Whoops, the color is a little too light again. I never learn, do I? I love this leftover on the stamper. It's so cute. Or am I weird to think so? I'm gonna try stamping polish. I thought it was silver. It doesn't look opaque. I wonder if the color comes out well. I'm gonna stamp on black gel nail. Wow, it's so pretty. I don't think it does justice on the screen. It looks much prettier. It's cool but cute at the same time. I love it. I'm gonna stamp this design. It looks a little too big for the nail tip. I'm gonna use a resizable stamper. I got it from Temu. Screw it up to put the silicone stamper up. The silicone stamper is stretched. I try to pick up the design right on the center. The upper part of the stamper comes off. The stretched silicone goes back to the normal no-stretch state. The design shrank. I love the combination of the dark pink and light pink. I'm gonna do this design on my natural nail. It was kinda hard to peel the film off. I just tried another corner and it worked well. I'm gonna use blue stamping polish again. Wow, look at this, so beautiful. I stamped it on blue gel nail. It looks great. So I played around with new stamping plates and polishes. I'm gonna use the Mickey Mouse one for my natural nails in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!